Hi, um, this is Balaji, Assistant Professor in Psychology Technology at Coimbatore. Today we are going to discuss about the programming logic controller types. Okay, basically, the control sequence events maintain some variables, constant flow, some prescribed change. Okay, so you can see that the control logics, if you take any kind of um, automatic drilling machines and then packing inputs. Okay, so it might be required start lowering drill when the workpiece is positioned, start drilling when the drilling reaches the workpiece, stop drilling when the drilling has produced the required depth of hole, stop drilling when the drill has produced the required depth of hole. Retract the drill when the switch off and wait for the next workpiece to put in the position before repeating the control number of the moves. Okay, and then you can go to the second one. That might be used for control number of items moving along with conveyor belt with the direct them to package cases. The inputs to such control systems might be from switches being closed, opened. The presence of workpiece might be indicated by it moving against which are closing it. In other sensors such as those used for the temperature flow rates, the controller might be required to run a motor to move object from one position to another position. So these kind of works will be used in PLCs. Okay. These are simple introduction about PLCs in what we are going to see actually in future, like PLC instruction like that. Okay, you can see in the PLC kit is available. Like normally it's having some memory and then normal inputs outputs, the many kind of is available. Like the controller maybe it's having some controller for the automatic drilling machines. You can see which are this kind of milling machines. I mean. PLCs which have wire up electrical circuits in the which is the which the closing or opening the of switches would result the motor being switched on the valves being actuated. Thus we might have the closing or switching activating relay which in turn which switches on the current or to motor the causes the drill, and another switch might be used to activate relay to pneumatic hydraulic valve which results pressures being switched to drive positions in the cylinder, so results in the workpiece being pushed into required position. Such electrical circuit have to be specific to automatic drilling machine. For the controlling the number of items packed into the package case, we could have likewise wire up electrical circuits involving sensors, motors. However, the control circuits devised for the two situations would be different in traditional form control systems. In rules governing control system with actions are initiated determining the by the way. When the rules are used for control actions, they change in the wiring to be changed. Okay. So where we can use the PLC for manufacturing process, for assembly lines, for robot controls, for quality inspections. Those purpose we can use the PLCs. Okay. So instead of hardwiring each control circuit for each control situation, you can use the same basic system for all station. If we use a microprocessor based system, write a program to instruct the microprocessor how to react the input signal from say switches give the required output say motors also. They might have a program the form of is switches if if A closes output to monitor circuit, if switch B closes out to wall circuit. By I'm repeating again, if a switch A closes output to motor circuit, if a switch B closes output to wall circuit. By changing the instruction in the program, we can use the same microprocessor system to control widely variety of situations. In illustration, the modern domestic washing machine uses the microprocessor system. Inputs it arises from the dials used to select the required wash cycle, switcher to determine the machine door closed. Okay, and temperature sensor determine the temperature level, handles kind of water spinning level and water level, those kind of and then how much of hot water valves are available. These kind of works we can control using some microprocessors. Okay. So it's about into some points of BLC. Remaining things we can see on next video. Thank you.